Hi guys, so for those of you who don't know, my name is Michael and I am the woodworker for MK Designs. I wanted to do a quick update video for you guys this week. I'm not doing a build video or a technique video for a couple of reasons. One, I am diving into the wine rack and I want to get that done so I can get that video put up for y'all. And also, as you know, I just did the giveaway build video last week, and I wanted to make sure that nothing distracted from that until we have the winner. And just so you just as an update, or not as an update, as a reminder, there's 5 chances to win, or 5 opportunities to enter to win. One is you go back to that video, and I'll put a link to it up in the cards and down in the description, and you comment on it using the hashtag MK Designs. So that's one entry. The second entry is you go over to Facebook and you like our page. The third chance is you go to Twitter and follow us on Twitter. The fourth chance is Instagram, follow us on Instagram. And the fifth chance, the tweet that went out last week when I published that video, if you go to Twitter and you retweet that video, that'll give you a fifth entry. And I know a lot of you don't use Twitter and Instagram. I keep getting messages about that, and that's okay. You don't have to use either one of those. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. You've got your entries in. You have just as much chance to win as everybody else, because it's going to be a random drawing. So, and just to again remind you that today's Saturday, so this coming Friday at 6 p.m. Mountain Time, so that's 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Mountain, and 5 p.m. Pacific, we'll be having a live Q&A session with myself, Kat, James King, Shogun Jimmy, Sean Smithson, Mel Morris, JP Brown, and possibly Roper. He's a turner. So we'll have JP Brown there to help answer questions about SketchUp, Mel Morris to help answer questions about Fusion 360. Of course, you know, me and James, and then Sean. And then we'll have Roper and Shogun Jimmy there to answer questions about turning. So, I mean, any questions you come up with, feel free to either, if you would like, what you can do is you can email myself. I'll put the link to the email down below, but it's mkdesignschos@gmail.com. Just email them to us, or you can email James or anybody that's going to be there. And we'll be happy to fill those questions and answer those questions. We'll also be taking questions from the chat as well. And yeah, so any questions you might have, feel free to pop them in there and we'll answer them as best we can. And yeah, so again, go back to that build video if you haven't already done so, and you do up to 5 entries to win one of the 2 boxes. The live session is on Friday, and again, the cutoff for entering to win is midnight on Thursday. I believe the dates are the 26th and the 27th. So midnight on the 26th is the cutoff, and 27th at 6 p.m. Mountain Time is the live session. And hopefully I'll have a build video for you next week. I don't think it's going to be the wine rack. It'll probably be one of something else that I'm working on. The wine rack's going to take me probably at least another week, maybe 2 to complete. I ran into some issues, and I explained all that in that video. Yeah, that was a fun time. Anyway, so yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you have any suggestions, feel free to submit them, and I'll talk to you guys next time. So until then, happy creating. Hi guys, so for those of you that don't know, my name is Michael and I am the woodworker for MK Designs, and I want to do a quick video.